Hello everyone, today we are doing an unboxing of a RCA Artemis 10-inch HD tablet. It has 32GB quad core with keyboard and sleeve. I got this off of Home Shop Network. The box is, let's see if I can get a view of it. Here we go. Okay, now to unbox. First is the sleeve. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Couple papers. Oh, this, I'll show you the front, but I can't show the back because it has my codes on it. But it comes with a app pack. Looks like a cleaning cloth. If I can get it open. Oh, wow, that's tough. There we go. Just your typical cleaning cloth. Let's see what else we got. User manual. Another manual in a different language. Now the tablet and keyboard. I got rose gold. I believe that's what it is. Yeah. And this is what it looks like. It's really nice, actually. Now it also has a kickstand on the back. I think you just set it up. We have right here micro SD card slot, DCN, micro USB slot, headphone jack, and that should be power button. Whoop. Got speaker here. And back camera, front camera, which sounds like there might be. Power adapter. This one comes with also, it comes with a matching pair of headphones. I don't know how good they're gonna be, but and it also, let's see. Yep. This one also comes with a pair of earphones too. I don't know, like I say, I don't know how good these are, but what else is there? There is a lot that comes in this box. Let's see, this is a two-way splitter for the headphones. There is a lot in this. Alright, let's see if we can back up just a little here. Yeah. That is everything right there that came in the box from Home Shopping Network. I will read off the information that I get off their website. Android 8.1 Go Edition, 10.1 inch HD IPS display, 2-in-1 detachable keyboard, 1.3 gigahertz, quad-core processor, 32 gigabyte memory and micro SD slot, front and rear 2 megapixel cameras, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, supports micro SD up to 128 gigabytes, micro USB 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is what I just showed you. Oh, wait a minute. Pull out. There is supposed to be a stylus. So, sorry. And it comes with, let me take it out of the little package. It comes with a stylus. There we go. There. Now it's complete. Whoops. Sorry about that. That right there is everything that came in the box. Is that it? There we go. There we go. Alright. As you can see, you just okay. I'll do this and then I'll come back. Okay, I got it started out. That's what it looks like when it starts up. Now, you can pull down. You have all your basic stuff you normally have. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb. As you can see, it's updating. It automatically did that. Let's see if I can find something to watch on YouTube. Okay, I'm all signed in, and this is my YouTube channel. Just so you get an idea what it looks like as far as color and stuff. Click on this. Hello everyone, today we're doing an unboxing of Roku Ultra 4K streaming media player with JBL headphones and 6-foot HDMI cable. The cable came this way. It has 1080p on HD TV, 4K/60 Ultra on 4K UHD TV, Dolby Audio, voice control, lost remote finder, and night listening mode. Alright everybody, I'm gonna do another video so you have a better idea of the image quality. Hello everyone, today we're doing an unboxing of that is about the size of that, so you can probably get 1.5 size of those batteries on the lane. Alright, I will also turn off the light so you get an idea of what it looks like at nighttime or in the dark. I mean, the battery is a little wider. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know if you can really see the difference. Now, I have a Pringles can. The Pringles can next to it gives you an idea. You move it like right about there. That's about, it's a little longer than the speaker. You could probably actually, if this helps any, you can actually just put the speaker in the Pringles case. So, I mean... Okay, that should give you a better idea of the image quality and the sound quality. I mean, it's kind of heavy. It really is. But it looks nice. I mean, it's not bad. It was like I believe 120, I believe, is the stand. Like I said, it's kind of heavy. There we go. Now, I'm assuming the auto turn is already on. Let's see. Because I notice it's not, maybe, oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. And that is what it looks like right there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. an unboxing. Remember, I got this off of HSN, Home Shopping Network. Put a link in the description on this setup here. And, well, I'll let you know later how it turns out. I can post a couple updates. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please hit like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye.